Have you noticed your car guzzling more fuel than usual? High fuel consumption can be a frustrating and expensive issue, but understanding the root causes can help you tackle the problem head-on. In today's video, we'll explore the most common reasons your vehicle might be burning through fuel faster than it should, and how you can improve your car's fuel efficiency. Let's dive in. Poor maintenance. Routine maintenance is crucial to keeping your fuel consumption in check. Worn-out spark plugs, clogged fuel injectors, or a failing catalytic converter can all lead to higher fuel consumption. These issues cause your engine to work less efficiently, requiring more fuel to produce the same amount of power. Regular tune-ups and engine checks can help you catch these problems early. Replacing spark plugs, cleaning fuel injectors, and ensuring your engine is running smoothly can all contribute to better fuel economy. Incorrect tire pressure. Next, let's discuss tire pressure. Driving with underinflated tires is one of the most common, yet easily overlooked, causes of high fuel consumption. When your tires are underinflated, they create more rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to work harder to move the car forward. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly and keep them inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Properly inflated tires not only improve fuel efficiency, but also enhance handling and safety. Malfunctioning oxygen sensor. Another key player in fuel consumption is the oxygen sensor. This small but vital component monitors the level of oxygen in the exhaust gases and sends this information to the engine control unit, ECU. If the oxygen sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect data to the ECU, causing the engine to run too rich or too lean. Both conditions lead to inefficient fuel combustion and increased fuel consumption. If you suspect a bad oxygen sensor, it's best to get it checked and replaced by a professional. This will not only improve fuel economy, but also reduce harmful emissions. Excessive idling. This is another common culprit. Whether you're stuck in traffic or warming up your engine on a cold day, idling consumes fuel without moving your car an inch. Many modern engines are designed to warm up quickly, so there's no need to idle for extended periods. If you're going to be stationary for more than a minute, consider turning off your engine to save fuel. This small change can add up to significant savings over time, especially in urban driving conditions. Carrying excess weight. Overloading the engine can also drag down your fuel efficiency. Every extra pound in your car requires more energy and therefore more fuel to move. This is especially true for roof racks or cargo carriers, which not only add weight but also increase aerodynamic drag. Try to keep your vehicle as light as possible by removing unnecessary items from your trunk and interior. Only carry what you need, and if you don't need the roof rack, consider removing it to reduce drag. Using the air conditioning. Lastly, using your air conditioning, AC, can increase fuel consumption, obviously. The AC compressor puts an additional load on your engine, requiring more fuel to operate. While it's understandable to use AC during hot weather, being mindful of how often and how long you run it can help save fuel. When driving at low speeds, consider rolling down the windows instead. At higher speeds, however, open windows can create drag, so using the AC might be more fuel efficient in those cases. It's all about finding the right balance.